house and they're here with us.
My name is Jamie. I'm from Burn Ground. Lord God, around there, every board house gone, every house flat. See we foot, we have to walk from a past the station and go. We don't have no food, we don't have no water, we don't even have nail for nail back there zinc them. We find back the zinc them, but we don't have no nail. No nail of them hardware either. We flat down there flat, we don't have no road. It is very unpassable. Guys.
So
not even
water.
No, we don't have no water neither. We don't have nobody don't come around there. The councillor, the MP,
there's no road.
Here's the helicopter come yesterday, but I water station and come us with patty and water.
And
nobody
water.
We don't get nothing at all.
There's no
we
road.
have young baby because my baby at 9 months, fear 1 year. What a baby around there. And I'm a sickly person. I have a heart problem.
Why? We have walk go to be.
I lose my medication, everything, house, dresser, everything, furniture, everything we lost, nothing. I'll just Bridget Nelson. Yeah.
So we're not walking to now.
Montego Bay. We're gonna get some baby stuff and some water and some food.
So we're in the sleep.
In the garage.
So for the garage.
Yeah. We ain't put up.
The garage. I don't have nowhere.
Bus
Everybody
and garage.
there blow down.
And what is your name?
Tanisha Brown.
Right.
We don't have funny house, funny storm blowing up. I affected very bad. For me house drop down as well. We have 4 pitney around there. Nothing around there.
The 2 man have to come rescue me. The tree stuck me in the house. The tree dropped down right in front of my door and I couldn't come out. The 2 gentlemen have to come assist me.
My baby, the last one is 9 months tomorrow. I mean, I cope very well. Right now, yesterday, my baby feeding done. I beg me to beg. I not exaggerate, but I true. I beg me to beg feeding for him yesterday. Right now, we are trying to walk, see if we can reach in our town, if we go get feeding for him. Not even food, we run out of food stuff from yesterday. So that, and the one shop. Why, as we said, we run out from yesterday. And you look at we have just put together.
Some of them, I don't think some of the kids them understand because they're happy like I don't know. I don't think they understand. I don't think them understand.
And then the one shop around there, them raise up is something them after.
Anybody can help us, just help. We need it. A whole and we not talk just for us. A whole heap of kids and people run their homeless and furniture gone. So every one of them flat.
Me buy furniture.